Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Hope you are all fine. So, how are you all? So, have you practiced the last topic? This is Sir Mohsin Ahmed Siddiqui, and you are watching APS Mohsin Ahmed Siddiqui YouTube channel. The students, last time we have discussed about the lesson number one, and I hope you did a very good job and you have completed the task very easily. And now we are going to discuss lesson number two, that is graphic window is colorful. You can imagine that we will change the background. First, you will have a book. Come on, open your book in front of you and check your page. That is lesson number two. Lesson number two is page number on 32. That is graphic window is colorful. So today our topic is we are going to discuss about that how you will change the background color in your small basic screen. So let's start again. Okay, here's the last program we have. So first we will raise all these things. Now my basically screen is almost white and I want to change that color. So how I will change this color? Take a look. First, we will write here graphic window like this. And you, if you are using a space, it will write automatically and you do not need to type further. So first, we will write here background. Now you will have a background option and just pressing space key or click here, it will write it. And then we have so many colors in the small basic. So first you will use quotation mark like this and write here red color. Now I will show you. Oh, wow. We will change the color of the background. Again, we have so many colors in the that small basic command. So first we will check gray color. Here is the gray color. Oh, wow, gray color. Okay, now we will check blue color. We have very varieties, you can say, in the color. Yes, blue color. Okay, maybe your favorite color is pink. Yes, that is pink. Okay. If I'm going to change the orange color, we will check the orange color. Here. Yes, that is our orange color. So we have so many colors here. You will just change the color and then you will feel that you have a favorite color in front of you. So try this, students. You will change the color by your own. Now, the next command is very easy again. I want that my turtle is moving with the color which I want, like turtle dot move, and then I will check that what is the pen color of that turtle, like turtle 30. See, it's the color of the pen is black, but I want to change that color. I don't like it. Okay, so how I will change this? So first you need to enter here. Before moving your turtle, you will change the pen color of that turtle. So first you will write here graphic window, just like this, dot pen color. Yes, and then the same function we have just like a background color. You will just use a quotation mark. Like I want white color. My pen color is white. So check. Oh yes, that is changed. So what color turtle of pen color is white. So I will use 100 here and then I will check. Okay. If I want to change the color is blue, just write here blue. Oh, wow. Very good. So, students, I think you understand that topic. So, first, we have to change the background color. Then, we will change the color of the pen color. And then, we will move our turtle and I mean, you can say that every shape which you want to draw, like a square, like rectangle, and like you can say the S shape as many you can. So, first, we have to check the exercise. What is that type of lesson? So students, here we have the exercise. Okay, that is a command graphic dot graphic window dot background and equal to red color. It will change the red color. And then graphic window dot pen color equal to green. It will look like a green color here. Okay. And then you will move your turtle and you will check that how the changes are in front of you. So here is the exercise. Now you can do it. This practice, like I want a red color and this is on page number 32. Come on, open it. Page number 32 in front of you. You will just change the background color with the red color and draw a white square. It's a very simple task. Now, how will you do? Check. First, I already changed the color command. So I will use red and then the pen color is, yes, you're right, white color. Because our requirements, the pen color is white and the background is red. So first we will change this, both things. Yes. Now if I want to draw a square, I have to turn this turtle towards here and here and here. So check out what is the command. So first we will change the direction of the turtle, like turtle dot turn. Okay, what is that side? Left or right? Yes, left. Okay, we will change the turtle left and then again we will use this command. The students, if you are going basically this steps by writing, it will take some time, but make sure do the smart working. Just copy this codes like this. Select that codes, click on copy, then click here, press enter key, paste the option like this. Okay, now check the first. Yes, now turning again. Oh, wow. Now you can copy this codes again. Press enter key again, paste the code like this, and then press enter key. So we have completed a square, a equal shape. Yes, now turning. Yes, turning, 100 and turning. Yes, so you can see the exact shape which I want in front of you. So take a look what is the steps. First, we will show the turtle. We will change the color of the paint color, white, and you will change according to yourself. Then move turtle 100 steps, turn left, then it's your choice that you will change the position of the turtle is your right. So then again, the equal steps, because we have to make a square and you know what? All sides are equal in the square. So I have basically select the steps and repeat these steps by copy pasting. So take a look again. The first step is we will change the background color. Pen color is white. Turning turtle left 100 steps. Turning turtle left 100 steps. That is easy. So you can practice at your home. And if you like my video, you just like it. I understand that you will understand this topic. Otherwise, if you have any problem, any query, you just write it in the comments. So I will give you the another explanation to solving your problem. So take a very good care about yourself and inshallah we will meet in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed and stay positive.